I'm Erkko Autio, Professor of Entrepreneurship at the Imperial College Business School. Our research team focuses on growth aspirations and growth in new businesses. Well, there are two things. The reason why we focus on aspirations is that without aspirations you cannot have growth. Growth is difficult to achieve, and if the motivation is not there, then the growth will not happen. So understanding aspirations is really important. That's why we focus on aspirations rather than realized growth. Now the second issue is, a big issue in our theme is how does context influence growth aspirations and realized growth? What are the factors in an entrepreneur's context that make entrepreneurs see growth? Now this is important because very little is actually known about the contextual influences on growth aspirations and growth. And this is a big gap in the entrepreneurship literature, because what policymakers do is they try to manipulate the context in order to effect desired outcomes. And our research is designed to inform policymakers on that aspect. Now the third theme in our research, again relating to context, concerns systems of entrepreneurship. We try to understand the entrepreneurial dynamic in countries and in regions, taking a systemic perspective. What is the dynamic of the system that makes a given economy, given region, or given country supportive of entrepreneurial growth? Well, we create new understandings of how does context influence growth. What are the determinants of growth aspirations amongst entrepreneurial individuals? What are the determinants of entrepreneurial entry in the first place? What are the countries, what are the key characteristics of countries and regions in terms of entrepreneurial entry or supporting entrepreneurial entry and encouraging subsequent growth aspiration? So we are trying to understand the very sources of where growth comes from.